everyone, today we're doing a fun word matching game. You ready?
Yeah!
Come join us. Okay, Miguel, let's play our word matching game. So we're gonna read all these words so we know what all the words are, and then we have to read the sentence and fill in which word makes sense in the sentence, okay? This should be super fun. So what's the first word?
Quiz.
Good job, quiz. What's the next word?
Shell.
What are these again? These words right here, the QU and the SH, what are those called again?
Diagraph.
We're learning more diagraphs, love it. Quiz, shell, what's this word?
Path.
Path. Okay, so we got quiz, shell, path. What's this word? I see a diagraph.
Shop.
Shop. I see another diagraph. What's that word?
Chop.
Good job. I see another diagraph. What's that word?
Whisk.
Whisk. Wow, how did you do that? Wow, that was really good. That was very good. I'm so proud of you for that one. Another diagraph. Go ahead, go. 2 more left, and then we get to play the game.
Math.
Last one. Good job on that one.
Chin.
All right.
My little chin goes
A
out.
little chin. Okay, I'll read the sentence and you fill it in, okay?
Okay.
I can see a blank in the sand.
Wait.
A quiz in the sand?
No.
A chop in the sand?
No.
A whisk?
No.
A math?
No.
A shell?
Yeah.
A path? A shop or a chin?
The shell.
Write it in. Sounds good to me. I'll check it off and you write it in. Teamwork. Teamwork
Makes the dream
makes
work.
the dream work. That's right. All right, write it in. Shell. And our diagraph for this word is SH. Shell. Good job. 1 down, 7 to go. It says, my mom can go to the chop.
No.
My mom can go to the whisk.
No, I can.
My mom can go to the path.
No.
My mom can go to the chin. My mom can go to the shop.
Yeah.
I like that one too. All right, let's write it in. I'll check it off and you write it in. Go ahead, let's write in shop.
My mom can go into the chin.
That was the funniest one, I think. I thought that one was the funniest one.
Yeah.
I'll start with the funniest one, okay?
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna start the funniest one because I don't want you to know that one's wrong. Who knows what I'm gonna start with, okay?
Okay.
What do we have to put at the end of a sentence? What are we working on? Okay,
Period.
but your period goes down here. Like, do you see the period down here at sand? It goes down. It doesn't go up there floating in the sky like that. It needs a home down here at the bottom.
I want to fly like Superman.
You want the period, you can't do that. All right, so let's read. I got 100% on the path,
No.
on the whisk,
No.
on the chop,
No.
on the quiz.
Yeah.
All right, quiz.
I got 100 like on the log.
So our diagraph for this was the SH. The diagraph for this was the SH. What's the diagraph for this word?
Wait, this one?
Well, what's the answer?
this
I got 100% on the qua. It's the QU. Go ahead and write it in.
You.
I got 100% on the quiz. Good job.
This is kind of hard.
Yeah, because you don't write Q's a lot. That's okay. We'll keep practicing. You did that good.
But I do not already Q.
QU. That's our diagraph.
QUIZ.
There's like a lot of letters that you don't write a lot. What are you forgetting? Focus up. Pay attention.
A period.
All right, let's lock in. Let's lock in. You're doing great. All right, let's read the next sentence. My dad ran on a whisk,
No.
on a chop,
No.
on a path,
No.
on a math,
No.
on a chin. Which one? Which one makes the most sense? A chop, a whisk, a path, a math, or a chin?
A path.
All right, I think you're right. That one does make sense. Go ahead and write it in.
That kind of makes sense.
Yeah, a path is a walkway. Like when we walk home from school, the kind of thing that we walk on is like a path.
Oh,
Bring up a path right here.
That makes sense.
Ta-da! That's a path.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. And what's our diagraph for this word? Tell me.
TH.
Good job. Can I highlight that for you? Thank you. What are we forgetting at the end of that sentence?
Period.
Let's not forget that, kid. Let's not forget that. Okay. It says, I like to blank logs. I like to math logs.
Oh, I already know.
Which one?
Chop log.
Go ahead. You got this one. You're too smart. I'll check it off and you write it in. Come on. Let's get it in here.
Chop.
All right, so next sentence. Pam likes to do chin.
No.
Pam likes to do math.
No. Yeah.
Or Pam likes to do whisk. I think it's math.
Math.
Math? No, remember what I told you this, what does this digraph make?
Oh, TH.
TH makes like a, and yeah, it's a sound, not a F sound, silly girl. Math. Math. Look at the word up there.
T.
Just check this one off.
H.
All right, what are you forgetting? Like you always forget at the end of a sentence. All right, so let me underline.
period.
Good job. Let me underline the digraph in this one. What's the digraph in chop?
CH.
Did you just burp? Ew. Okay. It's so silly. There's two more words left and there's two more sentences. So it says Tim is sad because he got hit in the whisk or the chin?
The chin.
The chin.
The chin makes sense.
Okay, the chin makes sense. Oh, let's write it in. And then tell me which part of this word is our digraph.
Cha. Chin.
Good job. What are you forgetting at the end of the sentence?
A period.
Okay. What's the part of the digraph in this word?
CH.
CH. Why'd you screaming for? That's so silly. I guess there's only one word left. So it says Pam can mix with a whisk.
Whisk.
Whisk is something you use to stir up cake batter. We're gonna put a whisk right here so all the kids can see it. Go ahead and write the word in. Don't forget what you have to put at the end of a sentence and tell me the digraph. Let's go.
Okay.
Go ahead, write the word in.
Whisk.
Good job. What are you forgetting again?
A period.
And what's the part of the digraph for this word?
WH.
WH. High five.
Makes what?
Good job. We'll keep working on our digraphs. We'll keep working on our words. We'll keep working on our reading. And we'll keep working on our sight words. Thank you so much today for teaching us, Emmy girl. Good job, kid. Bye.
Bye.